In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add, resize, and delete columns in Notion. By the end, you'll be comfortable arranging content side by side on a page and managing columns inside simple tables, so your workspace looks clean and organized. Let's start with creating page columns by dragging. Hover over any block, like a text paragraph, an image, or a to-do. You'll see a 6-dot handle appear to the left of the block. Click and hold that handle. Then slowly drag the block toward the far right edge of another block. Watch for a vertical blue line to appear. That line is your cue that Notion is about to create a new column. Release your mouse, and you'll have 2 columns. You can repeat this action to create a third or even a fourth column by dragging additional blocks next to the others. If you prefer a quicker setup, use Notion's /commands. On a new line, type /2, /3, or /4 to instantly drop in a 2, 3, or 4 column layout. This is ideal when you know your layout in advance and want to start placing content right away. For simple tables, columns are added in a different way. Open your table and look at the header row. On the far right, click the plus button and a new column appears to the right of your existing ones. This method keeps your table structure aligned as you expand it. To resize page columns, hover your mouse in the space between 2 columns until you see a thin gray vertical line. That is the resize handle. Click and drag it left or right to fine-tune each column's width, keeping longer text in wider columns and smaller elements in narrower ones for better balance. To rearrange or combine content, drag a block from one column and drop it into the space below blocks in the other column. Notion will stack it neatly in that column. If you want to pull a block out of a multi-column layout entirely, drag it all the way to the left or right page margin until a horizontal blue line appears. Then release. The block will return to a full width position. If you decide you no longer need a page column, simply delete everything inside it. Once the column is empty, it disappears automatically, leaving you with a single column layout. In a simple table, to remove a column, click the column heading to open its menu and select Delete. The column and its cells are removed, while the rest of your table remains intact. Thanks for watching.